message from a guest speaker, possibly focusing on the role of art in personal and collective transformation. Let's welcome Sir Jose Aranilla for his inspirational message.
Art is not just a decoration. It is a story, it is a voice, it is a movement. Isa yung paraan para ay makita ang ating kasaysayan, kultura, at pananampalataya. Ako po, 12 years ago, ay nag-create ng Facebook page na Everything Quezon. At saka kasabay po noon ang aking YouTube channel na Checkpoint TV. At simula po na-monetize po ang mga ito. Ginamit ko po ang mga kita nito sa pag-collect ng mga art pieces. When I commissioned a painting of Santo Niño de Silva, tama-tama po ngayon ay Fiesta ng Santo Niño. When I commissioned a painting to Ayan, it wasn't just about the image. It was about honoring a legacy. Isipin nyo the story of Dato Humabon, Queen Juana, and the baptism of 800 Cebuanos. Hindi ba napakalaga na naipasa ito sa mga susunod na generasyon? So, painting na ito, si Queen Juana ay pinurtray ng aking mother at si Ferdinand Magellan, ang aking father. Ang painting na yun ay personal. Oo, napaka-personal sa akin. But it's also universal. It reminds us of the role we play in preserving history. Supporting local artists like Ayan God. Kasamahan ko po siya nun sa GPC. Means giving them the platform to amplify these stories. Hindi lang ito tungkol sa opera, it's about their contribution shaping our personal and collective identity. Kaya naman, I encourage everyone here, support art, support artists, support the narrative they carry. We are the bridge between the past and the future. Kung gusto natin magbago ang lipunan, let's start with embracing creativity. Imagine how art transforms spaces but also lives.